He was a high-powered attorney whose lavish lifestyle was featured on The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills.
But tonight, Tom Girardi faces significant jail time after a jury found him guilty of wire fraud and embezzlement. Dan Krauth is here with the details. Dan.
Joe and Tanya, things are getting real here. His story had it all. He was part of the legendary contamination lawsuit that was the inspiration for the movie Erin Brockovich. He was married to the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star Erica Jane, and he was the subject of a Hulu documentary. But today, a jury agreed Tom Girardi was a swindler who ran a 10-year Ponzi scheme that defrauded his clients out of millions of dollars in settlement funds. The 85-year-old was convicted of 4 counts of wire fraud for diverting at least $15 million away from his clients. Among the charges, prosecutors say Girardi stole $3 million from family members of the victims of the 2018 Lion Air crash that killed 189 people. He's accused of spending that stolen money in private jets and jewelry and the luxurious lifestyle that viewers saw on the Real Housewives show.
He was a very successful lawyer and made millions and millions of dollars, but he essentially operated a vast and comprehensive Ponzi scheme. And so he'd pay out some and take others and steal money over time, as we heard in court. And of course, he had a very lavish lifestyle. You just have to watch a little bit of television to see how lavishly he was living.
For 40 years, this man walked on people in their worst day, in their worst moment, when their children died, when their parents died, when they were dying with cancer, when they were losing their homes and they're homeless, and he's flying on a jet and going from country club to country club with people's money. It's not a happy day, but it's the first step in making it right.
An emotional verdict there. Girardi's attorney argued that he is suffering from dementia and late onset Alzheimer's disease. He'll be sentenced on December 6. Joe and Tanya.